So this is my Python program of my audiobook. So what I have done in this, I have just import two libraries, pyttsx3 and pypdf2, which helps to read my PDF file and give me the output of the file. Okay, so I am using the SWOC analysis.pdf here. Okay, just first of all, let's see what is present in this PDF. So this is a SWOC analysis PDF, and this is the matter which is kept in this PDF. Okay, so what my program will do, it will fetch the data from this PDF and it will speak the data. Okay, so first of all, I open the PDF in read and binary mode. Then with the help of pypdf2, I read the file. Okay, then I count the number of pages, and after that, I'm just including my name to make them more attractive of my program. Okay, so first of all, I input my name, then it will show me the output. Hi, let's suppose in P1 I am giving the input as Amandeep Singh. So what will it do? It will give me the output. Hi Amandeep Singh, I am your audiobook. Okay, then I will print the number of pages in the PDF R. Okay, after that I initialize the pyttsx3 module. Okay, with the help of this, when uh, I write speaker is a variable which initialize the pyttsx3 module. Okay, and when I say speaker dot say name, then what is present in the name? Hi Amandeep Singh, I am your audiobook. So what will it do? Speaker dot say, it will speak this text. Okay, hi P1, and P1 is in P1 my name is present. Hi Amandeep Singh, I am your audiobook. After that, the program will what the program will do, it will also speak the total number of pages in this PDF are the counted pages. Okay, after that I am using for loop. Okay, so what will it do? For loop, it will count the it will automatically continue read the page continuously. Whenever the first page is done, then it will move to the next page and read extract the text and read speak the text. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, just wait. What? Run. I'm going here to run, then audiobook. Yeah, it's saying enter your name. I'm saying Amandeep. Okay, so let's see what will it do. Number of pages in this PDF are 3.
Hi, Amandeep, I am your audiobook. Total number of pages in this PDF are 3.
3 देखिए.
Page number is 1. SWOC analysis. Introduction. SWOC analysis is a strategic planning method used to research external and internal factors which affect company success and growth. Firms use SWOC analysis to determine the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and challenges of their firm, products, and competition. SWOC analysis is relevant to SWOT analysis. SWOT examines strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities, but it focuses on threats rather than challenges. They too are similar, but they do have their differences, which is why firms may choose to use SWOC or SWOT. How to use SWOC analysis.
Let's stop my pause my program. So you have seen that first of all, it will take my name, then it will automatically print number of pages in this PDF are 3. Okay, and let's check. Yeah, 1 of 3 means total number of pages are in this PDF are 3. Okay, then it will count, it will tell the total number of pages in this PDF are 3 and the page number is 1. Yes, page number is 1. Okay, so this is my Python program of my audiobook. I hope you like it. Thank you.